Hi, this is Naya Space once again, and today I'll be talking about how to make your first $500 as a young person living in Nigeria. Today, we know what the economy looks like, and earning as low as, I'd say as low as, because the opportunities to earn much higher are very, very high. Earning as low as $500 a month is very possible as a young person with internet, a smartphone, and money to subscribe. I'm telling you, the world is your limit if you have these three things. But then there are a few other skills you have to have. You need to speak at least one of these three languages fluently. First language is English. A good knowledge of English, both written and spoken, could land you so many good roles in Nigeria, from Nigeria. You could also know how to speak Spanish, German, or even French. As long as you have a good grasp of any of these languages, then trust me, you can earn as low as 500. I know why I'm saying as low, because that's the lowest you can really do a month in Nigeria. So what's my strategy? What's my strategy to make this amount of money? First thing you need to do is to sit down and evaluate your skills. Am I a fast typer? Do I have good internet? Am I someone who knows how to recall things very easily? Especially our young people, as long as you know how to sing all the Davido songs, all the Burna Boy songs, all the Christian songs, you know how to memorize your Bible verses, then of course you would do well. Here is what I need you to do. The first thing you would do is to go to Google and type in chat support and read up every single thing that comes up under that and look at it and say, am I able to do this? And trust me, every young smart Nigerian is able to provide chat support. There are a lot of e-commerce businesses. There are a lot of course creators. There are a lot of people selling one thing or the other all over the world on the internet that need people to sit down behind a phone or a computer, nobody cares, and answer questions, resolve concerns and issues that your customer, has. So first thing I'd like you to do is to go and type free chat support course on Udemy, and it will bring out a 39 minutes course that will take you through the rudiments, the first things you need to know about being a chat support representative. Once you go through this video, that has given you the first start, the first kick you need to do. And the second thing you have to do is to sit down and craft a resume for yourself. If you are unsure about how to craft a resume as a chat support representative, all you have to do is to go to zeti.com or resume.io and type, create me a free sample CV or resume for a chat support representative. And once you type that prompt in that website, it brings you a sample CV. Now sit down and adjust that sample CV to match your own situations. Write in your name, write in a short bio, just tweak it. Another thing you could do is to type top rated freelancer on Upwork, chat support rep, and it will bring for you a large number of reps and it will show you their profile. That's an opportunity for you to go through their profile, see what skills and what tools they have, and then do your own mini research on those skills. As a chat support representative, you'll be working with tools like Zoho, Zendesk, Live Chat, Jog. Yes, if you see me looking down, I have a little note. And the last, not the least, we have Live Chat. So I've got Zoho, Zendesk, Jogia, Zapier, Live Chat. There's a whole lot of chat support apps that you can get yourself familiar with. You don't have to download these apps. You don't have to know how to use them perfectly. But trust me, as long as you can chat on Facebook and you can chat on WhatsApp, on Telegram, then you can actually do this job. After you've seen what a CV looks like, the next thing you're going to do is to go on YouTube and chat and type in how to excel as an e-commerce chat support representative. You're going to see a lot of Filipino videos. Take your time one night and go through all of these videos. And these few things, the Udemy course, the Upwork, top rated Upwork freelancer profiles that you've seen. All of this will give you a good start to understand what this role is all about. Next thing you're going to do is to set up a very comfortable workspace for yourself. Get a good table, get a good chair, and make sure that you have at least 10 gig of data. And then the next thing you're going to do is to set up your own account on Upwork. Just type Upwork for freelancers and it will show you how to set up an account on Upwork. And just you go ahead and sign up just like you sign up on Facebook or any other platform. Once you sign up, it allows you to write a short bio about yourself. And here is what you do. Say, hi, this is Ifnaya and I have experience. Now, you have to now you're not going to lie about this. As long as you have assisted your mom at the shop, you have worked as a conference trying to help people, you have signed up people, all these are experience. All you have to do is to translate it. Remember that free resume that you got? They had 2 or 3 experiences for that person. All you're going to do is to use your own experience. Give your mother's company a name and then put the JD, the job descriptions or the job details on that resume and appropriate it, just edit it to show your own skills, and then use that your resume to create your profile on Upwork. Now, when you get to the skill selection part of Upwork, here is what really does the trick. You have to select the tools you need, not just the soft skills that were listed on the resume. Those are important. Remember, you have on Upwork, I think you have 15 skills to pick, but you also pick the tools that I have mentioned. What are the common tools you need to know about? Microsoft Office, Google Workspace. Those are the basics. You need to know how to type, how to put in data entry, because these are the things you're going to be needing as a chat support agent. You also need product knowledge. You need to be able to sit down, take a look at your employer's website, take a look at their business and have a good grasp of their products and services. You also have your FAQs. Now, one thing I'd like to say is don't be scared about doing this, because if you get an international or remote job, your employer will most likely train you, and the least amount of time spent on training is 1 week. And if they see you're doing well, trust me, you just go ahead and start working. So set up your account on Upwork, add those experiences, and then Upwork will show you a list of jobs that have those same specifications. And then you begin to apply. On Upwork, it's a semi-casual, it's not a business environment, it's a semi-casual environment. So I'd suggest you go on Upwork and search for a channel called Josh Burns Tech, and you'll see a lot of videos on how to send your first proposal on Upwork. Good thing is Upwork gives you your first 100 connects free, so you can apply for as many jobs as you need. If you have done everything I say here, then trust me, you'll be landing your first chat support job in a few days. Now about your price point, I'd say for a beginner, set your price at $4 per hour. A full-time job is usually between 30 hours a week to about 40 hours a week. So if you get a job that pays you at least $4 to $5 an hour and you work 40 hours a week, that is $200 a week. You pay your 10% or 15%, whatever the ratio may be or the percentage may be, to Upwork, and then you have at least $100 to $150 that you make in a week, and multiply that by 4, and that gives you about $500 to $400 to $600, and you can easily make that in a month if you know what you're doing. I will be putting in the links for all these websites that I have mentioned in this video. If you got further questions, just put them in the comment section. I always recommend Upwork because Upwork is the easiest place to get started. There are a lot of freelancing websites and applications where you could actually get these jobs, but Upwork is the easiest place to start. Now let's go over the points again. You know how to speak good English, you know how to type real fast, you have a good memory, and you know how to manipulate yourself around Google Workspace or Microsoft Office, then you can easily work as a chat support representative. This is customer service, by the way, but I'm just drilling it down a bit so that you have a niche. You're not doing emails, you're not doing calls, you are just typing. So this way you can actually set up on your phone. I'd also say if you have an Android phone, then you don't have to worry. You can attend your first interview on your using Zoom or Google. What's it called again? Oh my God, what happened to my memory? You could do your first interview using Zoom or Meet, Google Meet. Yes, that's what I was looking for. On your cell phone, you can always go to Chrome or whatever browser and select the desktop version, not the mobile option. This allows you to, sign up onto your employer's website. They will onboard you, and trust me, you can use all these apps I have mentioned on your cell phone. You don't need a computer to start working. Your phone is actually a computer if you really know how to work around it. And I trust that if you're a young person who has at least a university degree in Nigeria, you know how to work around your phone. So first thing, go to Udemy, search for that course. It's called Free Chat Support Training on Udemy. I'll be adding the link in the description box. And then go ahead to Zeti or resume.io and generate a free chat support resume. This will guide you and help you set up your account on Upwork. Don't forget to select the tools that you will be needing and the soft skills as well. Tools like Zoho, Zendesk, HubSpot, Jogias, Zapier, Live Chat. There are a whole lot of other chat support tools that you can Google and add them to your skills. Don't forget the soft skills like product knowledge, conflict resolution, negotiation, ability to work under under stress. But trust me, nobody puts that in their CVs anymore. But soft skills like product knowledge, communication, and all of that, those are skills you can add on your Upwork. And then set up your Upwork. Make sure that your profile is 100% complete. Go to YouTube and Google Josh Bond's Tech, how to send a winning Upwork proposal. Listen to that video, send out your first proposal. Don't forget to also look for how to work as a or excel as a chat support representative videos on YouTube. There are a lot of Filipinos who have those videos. Sit down and watch a couple of them, and then you're ready. Shoot your first proposal. We'll be talking about how to send a winning proposal on Upwork in another video. But then till then, let's leave that. Send your proposals. By the time you send a couple of proposals, you'll be landing your first job. Give it your best shot. Go through the training. Make sure you give it your best shot. And I tell you, this will just be one of your first job. And very soon you'll be earning much more than $500. I hope this has given you an idea. If you're unsure of what you could do right now, if you are broke but you have a smartphone and you have access to great internet, this is one of the things you could do right now and begin to earn money. You could earn at least $500 a month. That's a lot of money in Nigeria. That's over 500,000 naira. So please try out all the steps and tell me what your results are. Ask any questions, I'd be happy to answer you. If you haven't done so before, please subscribe. I'm going to be teaching about a lot of content like this, content that will help you elevate your life, learn about so many things. I'll be opening your eyes to opportunities you never thought of. Like my videos, tell your friends to like it, share my videos, subscribe to my page, and please let's engage in the comment section. Have a great day. Bye.